I'm Tanner Brallmeyer, and this is the snack bot for my CSSE 120 Capstone project. So it's going to get an energy drink, which is the teal object right there. Before it closes the grippers, I'm going to remove it because the object is too heavy for the motor. In the event that it does keep going on the sensor, it is most likely from bad sensor data, but it did not that time. So now it's going to rotate a certain amount of degrees, and it's going to use the color sensor to read white, and it's going to stop on the white. And we'll put down what it would have had in its hands. Now we're going to get a Coke, which is the pink object. So it's using the Pixie camera. It detected the pink object, and now it's going to go retrieve it using the IR sensor. It reached there. I removed it because this object is too heavy. Now it's going to spin around again. And it's also going to stop when it reaches the white, which is the delivery zone. And that's the functions. There's also a mac and cheese button, but in order to save time on the video, I'm just going to skip that for now. So here's all the buttons to get your energy drink, your Coke, and your mac and cheese. There's also a stop robot function, just the program on the robot. This stops your GUI and your robot, and I have a progress taskbar that measures the progress as it retrieves each button. So here is stopping the robot's program and the GUI. It also provides sensor feedback here, and it also tells you what it is doing here. So it says it's getting a Coke, it got an energy drink, and it quit, and it stopped the robot's program. So, to get an A, as you could tell, it was communicating with the robot and the PC, and the PC was communicating also with the robot. And my GUI, it's not the same as my other one, and I added a taskbar, or a progress bar. I added a progress bar to keep track. And so it uses 3 sensors as well. It uses the IR sensor to detect when it's near an object. It uses the color sensor to detect that it's in the delivery zone. And it also uses the Pixie camera to detect which object you want. For the creativity, I came up with the snack bot, just in case you're in your room, you get hungry, and you want, say you want a Coke. Pull up your little snack bot GUI, hit get a Coke, and your robot's off to find a Coke, and it brings back to the delivery zone. And for the complexity, right, as you can see right here, I'll pull up the programs. It's not just calling my functions, it's also calling different codes, and it's doing different things with that rather than just calling drive, stop, go forward, go back. Thank you very much.